right down here, right where my light's at, I don't know if you can tell, but there's a lot of oil. And my power steering fluid is right there. My power steering fluid has been getting low. So it looks like my rack and pinion might went bad. I'm gonna put it up on some jack stands here in a minute and take a look. The other thing I noticed was my coolant level was low. So I just put in about a half gallon in there. I still need to put some more in. And then I took this off right here. Because of course, if you don't have any coolant there, you need to check here. You can see there's coolant in there, but it's a little on the low side. So I will be putting some more coolant in here. So I might have some repair to do right down there. Not too happy about that. My batteries, just had to clean them. I'm gonna have to replace the cabling soon. The other thing, my Edge programmer right here isn't working either. So I gotta work on that. Figure out what's going on with that, because you know that controls my exhaust temperatures, or not controls it, lets me see what's going on. My filter is still good. Still need to check the oil. I haven't checked the oil yet. I don't have anything to wipe it off, but we could take a look at the color. Black as night. That's normal though for diesels. You could put brand new oil in, and within, you know, a couple minutes it'll be black. And then the other thing that's low is my power steering. I mean, not power steering, brake. So I'll be filling that up as well. And then this right here is actually for my clutch, and that seems fine. This flashlight, I am going to be doing a review on it. It's a really awesome flashlight. I like it. I gotta run and go grab a jack stand and a jack. I don't have one here. So I'm gonna go grab that and then climb underneath it and take a look to see what's going on. All right guys, so I have a few repairs to do. So this line right here is leaking. So I need to take that, redo that bolt right there. And so I'm gonna have to pick up some some spray, clean all that off, and then I'll tighten that bolt up. And then over here I have some kind of oil leak going on, so I need to try to figure that out. And then my sensor right there, you can see, got chewed up a little bit. I don't know if you can see that right there by the gear. Light's right on it. I don't know if you can see that though. So I'm gonna have to keep note of that. I don't know why that happened, but yeah, I got an oil leak going on. It's probably the front seal right there. If you work on Dodge Cummins a lot, and if you have a good idea where that leak might be, let me know. I know I got one in the back, the rear main seal. I gotta get that done. And then I got a coolant leak. So we can see there's a little bit of coolant right there dropping, and that's a coolant pile. So I'm pretty sure that's going to be the water pump through the weep hole. So I'm going to be replacing that. You can see there's coolant all over here too. That's all coolant. I gotta get a little bit more coolant. Going to work on the power rack another day. I'll record that probably for you guys, being power steering. I don't know when I'm going to mess with this coolant system. Sooner or later though. But yeah, it's going to be kind of fun working on this. And you guys will get to go along for the ride with me. Ay, ay, ay. I like working on trucks. I like working on cars. I don't like being forced to work on them when they don't want to work. I like to have little side projects that I can do with them, but oh well, I guess I will have to do it. Thankfully, I don't have to do anything with this yet. I just put my tool bag on it. But man, she purty. But yeah, oh, the other project I gotta do with this truck soon. I gotta pull out the whole rear axle on this. The axle seals are leaking. So I gotta do that soon. So yeah, fun stuff, fun stuff. Anyway, that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I'm not gonna actually work on it right now. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. In the video of me working on this will be uploaded as soon as I have the video produced. Probably in a week or so. I'm gonna get on it. I don't like my fluids leaking out like that if I could help it. Anyway, take it easy. See you guys on the next one.